Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive care with a focus on wheels. If you're someone who takes pride in your ride, you know how important it is to keep those rims looking fresh and stylish. Introducing the Wheel Repair Kit, Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint. This little pen is a game changer when it comes to keeping your rims in top-notch condition. Let's dive into what makes this product the best spray paint for rims out there. First off, let's talk about convenience. With this kit, you can quickly repair unpainted areas of your car's wheels, giving them a fresh new look in no time. Whether it's a roadside rash or just everyday wear and tear, this pen has got you covered. The operation is simple and straightforward. Just clean the area, shake the pen, and apply the paint. It dries in just 10 minutes, allowing you to apply multiple coats until the repair is seamless. Plus, it's durable, so you can trust that your wheels will look fantastic for miles to come. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the results they've achieved with this product. From covering up scuffs to blending seamlessly with the original paint, the Wheel Repair Kit has earned its spot as a must-have for any car enthusiast. So, if you're looking for the best spray paint for rims that's quick, easy, and delivers professional results, look no further than the Wheel Repair Kit, Gloss Black Rim Touch-Up Paint. Keep your wheels looking sleek and stylish with this handy tool. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Until next time, happy driving.